In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Shopify's Buy Now buttons to Canva websites. By the end, you'll have a clean, clickable Buy Now link on your Canva site that takes visitors straight to a secure Shopify checkout for the product you choose. This approach is fast, reliable, and doesn't require custom code. Start by opening your Shopify admin. From there, go to the Apps section and search for the Buy Button sales channel. Install it when you find it. The Buy Button channel is Shopify's built-in way to create links or lightweight embeds that send customers directly to your checkout, which is perfect for websites built on platforms like Canva. Once it's installed, head to Products in your Shopify admin. Select the exact product you want to sell on your Canva site. On the product page, look for the More Actions menu and choose Create Checkout Link. Shopify will generate a unique link that, when clicked, opens checkout with this product ready to purchase. If your product has variants, make sure the correct variant is selected before generating or copying the link so your customers land on the right option. Copy that checkout link. Now switch over to Canva and open the website you're building. Navigate to the page and the specific text you want to turn into your Buy Now call to action. This could be text that says, "Buy now, add to cart," or something similar. Click the text, open the link or hyperlink option, and paste the Shopify checkout link you just copied. Confirm the link is applied to that text so it becomes clickable when the site is published. At this point, it's a good idea to make the call to action easy to spot. Keep the wording short and clear, and ensure the text is readable and stands out against the background. Your goal is to make it obvious where visitors should click to purchase. When you're done, you can publish your Canva website to make it live, or click Preview to see how it looks and test the link before going public. In Preview, click the linked text and confirm it takes you straight to the Shopify checkout page for the product you selected. If everything checks out, publish your site. That's it. You've linked a Shopify Buy Now experience to your Canva site using a checkout link, giving your visitors a quick path from interest to purchase. Thanks for watching and enjoy your streamlined setup.